Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are here for our 38th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Wanted to show you a couple things first before we go fly. Wanted to compare the site plan to some things that have popped up around the site. If you notice here on the right where my cursor is, that's the outside border. That's the east border for the fence. And it goes all the way to the corner around that test loop, what appears to be a test loop, and comes all the way back over here and then back down all the way to the other side. You'll notice this fence, it doesn't seem to go all the way this way. It seems to stop about here. We're going to have to take another view of that when we go back on Thursday and see where this fence ends. But if you'll notice where this fence is in the site plan over here, you can see that that fence comes out right to where a future building is supposed to be in phase 3. So I'm thinking that they may have just put that fence over just to that distance. I could be wrong. Once we get a closer view of it, we'll be able to see where that fence ended. But this whole site that I'm circling with my mouse right here, this whole thing is going to be part of phase 2 and phase 3. There's a large area. This section over here is going to be part of phase 1 since we're on phase 0.5. But this building is going to probably come out this whole area right about here, according to the site plan. And this whole section right here is going to be a whole nother building. It's going to double, it's going to be twice the size of this when this one's completed. Let's go take a look at another picture we got. So in this picture, we can see the entryway to the side that they have with the circle. Not exactly sure what the design intent is on this yet. We don't know what's going around this, but you do have a loop right here. Maybe that's what it's for. They've poured pavement or sprayed pavement over a large amount of the section. You'll see in the rest of the video. But you can see the roads that are coming up here, coming up to the left side. They match up to what is on the site plan right here. This road goes straight up here. And you can see they even left a little spot where there's going to be a secondary road, which is going to go to that building in the back that is on a phase to be determined, but it's all the way in the back there. It's that is the building 700 supplier co-locate site. I don't know what that means, but they've left a spot there for the continuation of that road down the line. Okay, you can see right here that this square building is going to be the security fire station. They've made the roads going to it, and this work will commence in the future. And you can see this road coming down here at this angle. That matches up right to here with the road that is on here. If you look at the site map, and we're going to put the site map at the end of these pictures so you could see it in full screen again. All the roads in red here are phase 1 roads. Now they've made some changes on it. This test loop up here is not going to be there for now, and they've made some changes along this side and over here, but they have been putting in roads, a lot of roads lately. So let's take a look at the next picture. So on this picture, you can see from the other side, this is from the north side looking south. This area right here is the south end of what looks like the test loop. And you can see the road coming all the way around here and then back down. Same thing over here. But you'll notice that in the site plan, there's nothing like that in there. So it looks like they've made some changes. And that's what they want to do. I'm sure it's going to work for them. But you'll notice here that this road just kind of ends right here. It's like, where's that going? And if you look at this road is right here. It's coming up right down here, and that is going to be where it connects to a future building, right on the western corner of it. So that tells us that this gap that shows up on the site plan here is right about there. And this building will go down here. This, I'm thinking that they're going to make this into a possible parking lot for the trucks as they come out. And then when they're testing them, they'll drive them over to this loop up here. But you've got to have a place. If you start having a decent quantity of trucks, you're going to have a place to put them. So I think that's what this is going to be right here. And then we've got more road coming around here. And this one obviously goes around. I'm not sure what else they're going to put in here because things have changed on this. But to have a road go across here and a road go across here, tells me that something might be going in here. We're just going to have to wait and see. One thing you will notice throughout the site, it's been graded a lot. Everything out here on this side has been graded flat. Everything is real flat. I think they're going to be putting down a lot of pavement, but everything here is ready to go for something else. So we're going to have to see what happens. But if you like this video, if this was helpful to you, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to check out our Patreon account. If you want to be a member, there's a link down below. We'd really appreciate your support. It's with the help of the Patreons that we're able to do what we do. So just want to know that you guys are appreciated. Now, let's go fly.